Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kimi Elias and so happy that you're here today watching the new video. I am sorry, I think, that this video comes out on Thursday and not on Wednesday. Haven't had the energy or the time to film, but now we are here making content once again. Today's episode is all gonna be about this watch right here. It's from Arni. It's really beautiful. I'm not sponsored by any means from them. I did get this watch for free like 3 months ago, about 4 months ago, to take some autumn pictures, and then I promised to do this kind of shoot at some point, but now like 4 months later, here we are. The setup I'm going to use to shoot this watch, actually here's the box as well. I think the setup is really nice and the layout and everything about the designs is, I love it, I love it. It's like black tree with some golden details and it's just beautiful. Actually I had it wrong way there, you can see it now. It's not focused. And the cameras I'm gonna use today, as usual, is the Sony a7III as my main camera. I'm filming everything on it. And then I'm taking the picture with my Sony a6500 and the Sony 85mm f1.8. It's about an equivalent to 135mm about on a crop censored camera. So that's nice. I'm looking for this like really compressed shot and to keep the watch as natural as possible and get these nice little details. So I think this is gonna be a perfect setup for it. There is a couple of things I need to go buy. I need some kind of backdrop because I got this, you can't see it, but I got this white backdrop and then this tile backdrop, or this is actually the wall. I want something that compiles to this watch, so I'm thinking about some kind of like dark moody forest picture maybe, or something, or just like wood. We're gonna go to the store and find something cool. Then I'm gonna need something to lay it on, something that gives a nice reflection. I'm thinking about some kind of matte black, like matte glossy black surface somehow, because black, this is gonna be a really black picture. And then we're gonna need something to fulfill the whole setup. I'm thinking actually about buying charcoal because it's wood and it's black. It's wood and it's black, so but it's still got this different kind of texture on it, and I think it's gonna look pretty nice. As lights, I have two video LED lights and this light right here. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. And then I have this huge light right over my head right now. But we're gonna see, I'm gonna just try a bunch of different lightings. Yeah, so without further ado, I think we're just gonna jump onto it and start making our set. So let's go. Okay, so now I set everything so I can just like come back and start doing my thing. But now let's go to the store and see if we actually can find everything that we want to find. So let's just hop in the car and go. Okay, so we are here right now. I do not actually know if I can film here or not, but let's see. I think that if I'm gonna find anything that I need, it's going to be somewhere around here. If it's not here, I'm not gonna find it probably. Here is actually this kind of wrapping paper. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like greenish black with some golden details, and this might work as a backdrop. I'm gonna take this with me and see what I can do with it. Okay, so I found this black tinted board thing. It's not glossy, this is just like plastic on it. But I think I'm gonna take this, and then I have at home like these old things that you put pictures in picture frames. I think they're called. So I'm gonna use their like plexiglass or glass to get the shiny surface. Okay, so I'm ready from the store now, and I actually bought a like, why do I not know what that's called? It's a photo frame. Why is it so hard, Kimi? But yeah, I bought a new one because that's like 50 by 50 in centimeters, and I realized the only thing I have back home is like a 20 times 30 centimeters, so it's better with the bigger reflection bigger reflection surface. So now I have my backdrop, I have my surface, and now I just need to pick up the charcoal from our basement and we're good to go. See you back at the ghetto studio. Peace. Tape this bad boy up on the wall. Where's the bad boy? I don't know. It's not bad. Okay, so I have my backdrop finally up, but when I'm looking at the screen right there, I'm not really sure how it's gonna look. It's alright, I think, but we have to see. I just might take it off or just change it up a bit. We're gonna have a look. But next up I'm gonna put the glass sheet on the blacks, and then we get the nice reflection. Okay, I think we have a pretty decent reflection. As I want to. It looks okay over there. Actually, I'm probably gonna use that. If this backdrop is bad, I'm just gonna use that black thing with a simple black background. Next up are these. I have no idea how I'm gonna position them, but I'm gonna use this clipper thing to put them somehow cool. We'll see. Okay, so I got those right there. From here, it could be pretty cool. This is a really wide angle lens, so it's gonna be a really close up. But I actually think this might work. This looks pretty cool, and I'm just gonna need to wash everything extra off. Now we're gonna have a look at the watch. I think it's pretty dirty because I used it pretty much. I hope there's not like any scratches or anything. I'm praying. I have to clean the surface and everything, so that's up next. Okay, so I got the watch. It's pretty clean. If there's any scratches or anything, I'm gonna fix it in post, because I can't fix scratches like this. So now we're gonna try to position the watch right there. Let's see how this goes. Let's see what we got here. This might actually work. Let's try to get that. Oh, this could come out pretty cool. I think I have to put some more of those charcoal things here on the left side. I got that nice little reflection. Yeah. I actually think this might work. I'm a little bit surprised. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with the setup right now. Next up is the trickiest part, and that's the lighting. I'm gonna use this as my main light. I'm gonna put it like straight over top. This is actually a lighting up subject, or the object is something I need to practice a lot, so this is a really good practice for me. I think I might use a 3-point lighting system, like one from like half over the top, maybe one giving some in the back, and maybe one from here from the side. As I said, I actually have no idea what I'm doing, so just like everything else, I'm just trying and seeing what works and what doesn't. So that's my photography. That's everything I do. I just trial and fail and learn. On my camera, you can actually see how it looks at the moment, and I am pretty happy with that. I'm just gonna try to get some more of the reflection with it, because otherwise this is just stupid. But otherwise I think this looks actually pretty good. And first off, I'm gonna take a Instagram friendly photo and then a thumbnail. So let's continue. I am now going to take my first test shot. Come on, focus. As you probably can see, I'm going with 0.8 seconds, f7.1 and ISO 100. I actually enabled the peaking system, the focus peaking, so I can see exactly what is in focus right now. And yeah, let's take the first picture. I got the self timer on, so I'm making sure I'm not touching the camera while I'm taking the picture. Okay, so I think that needs something. I'm not really sure what it needs, but something it totally needs. Now I actually have 1/6 of a second, f2.8. I didn't like the f7 or whatever I just had because I didn't think it was sharp enough. I'm still at ISO 100, and let's take another test shot. Now I can see clearly the reflection as well, and hopefully I'm gonna get everything to fit into the Instagram crop, the 4x5. I might even change over to the full frame to see just a difference in the quality at some point, so I'm gonna tell you when. Now I'm filming on the Sony a6500 and taking the pictures with the Sony a7III. Now we're gonna see a bit of a difference in the crop censored and the full frame. I'm gonna try to keep pretty much the same specs. Actually, why not exactly the same specs as before, so we can see the difference. And I'm gonna put the difference right here up and check it out now. I don't know if you can spot the difference. I haven't seen the pictures yet, but I think there is some kind of difference in the pictures. They are edited exactly the same way with the exactly same in-camera settings. So yeah, there you see it. Full frame versus crop censored. I actually found a couple of weeks ago my extension rings that I can put on the camera to get like this really close up macro shots, and I'm gonna see if I can manage to take those right now. So let's hear the extension rings, or extension tube as it says right there. I can't remember the logic of how this works, but there's like one ring that is 10mm, 116 and 121mm, if you can see it. Yo, this is gonna be cool. Just whoa, yep, I like this. Okay, I'm gonna take one more picture about the same style. And bro, I'm telling you, this is gonna be cool. Hold on. I hope. Yes, sir. That is cool. And look at that. It's actually pretty sharp. I'm gonna try a bunch of different things with this. I actually think that this could be pretty cool with changing up the lens and everything. Now I got the 85mm on, so if I get a little bit wider shot, maybe it will look better. We'll see. Wow, this is looking dope. This is looking like what I was looking for the whole time. This is awesome. Let's just take a photo. Oh, that is cool. Check this out. Oh man, that's awesome. It's beautiful. So happy I took this. So happy this is what I actually went for, and now I have it. I'm so happy. Yes. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. These are turning out really good. I am so happy I'm doing this. Look at that thing. Can you see it? It's like horrible. But I'm going to try to take some Instagram friendly pictures right now. Trying to turn the camera vertical, and yeah, just I'm so happy. And after that, it's all over. I'm gonna show you a couple of pictures and then good night. If you want to see the pictures, go check out my Instagram. I'm gonna put a carousel up there, a couple of different pictures of the watch. There's a couple of them that turned out really good, and I'm so happy about it. But yeah, thank you for following along again. Just leave a comment if you liked it. If you want to see me do this kind of photo shoot of something else, maybe leave a comment. Push the thumbs up, subscribe, do all that if you want to. If you don't, then don't. It's your choice, but it helps me. Thank you and see you next week. Peace.